guys, welcome back to the Human Beans channel. Today you're with Drama Bean and I'm going to show you how to make another simple scratch game. If you have not watched my previous scratch tutorial, don't forget to check it out. Alright, now let's begin. In today's tutorial, we will make a Pong game. But before we start, I'm going to show you how the game is going to look like. Okay, so over here we have a Pong game that I created, and it is going to be something similar to what we will make. So I'm just going to play the game so everybody has an idea what we will make. So yeah, okay, so it says to click the green flag to begin. Oops. Okay, so the goal is to make sure that the baseball doesn't touch the red line, and you can get scores over here. Now our game is going to have different sprites, but you can choose any sprite that you like. Okay, let's begin. So let's start by creating our Pong game, and we're gonna go to the create code station over here by clicking the create button. Okay, let's gonna let it load. All right, so over here we have our coding section, and we are going to start by removing the cat sprite. We're gonna start by removing the cat sprite. So once you've removed the cat sprite, we are going to um, we're going to add a backdrop. So we're going to go to the backdrop section over here. Click backdrop, and you can choose any backdrop that you want, but I'm going to choose the galaxy. Oops. Galaxy. Actually, I'm going to choose the circles. So now that you have your background, we are going to add a sprite. And this is going to be like a ball sprite. So this is going to be what we're going to this is going to be the ball sprite, and we're going to move it around to get points. Again, you can choose any sprite you want, but I'm going to choose the beach ball. Okay, so next we are going to add a code to the ball, and that's going to make the ball bounce around. So we're going to do when flag clicked, point in direction 45, and we're going to do control forever motion move 15 steps, and if on edge bounce. Okay, the next step is to add a paddle. This paddle is going to move our ball around so we can earn points. So you can choose anything you want. Again, I'm going to choose this button 3. Okay, now you have to move the button or your paddle to the bottom. And now what we're gonna do is you're gonna add a code to the paddle to the button so it can move around. Okay, when flag clicked, forever set X to go to sensing and mouse X. Okay, so now when you move your mouse around, it will move the ball, as you can see now. That's really cool. Okay, let's go on to the next step. So now we're going to select the ball sprite, and we are going to add a code so that the ball bounces off our button. So we're going to do when flag clicked, forever if then sensing, touching mouse pointer, put over here, and we're going to change this to button 3. Then we're going to do turn 15 degrees. We're going to change that to 180. And then we're going to do move 15 steps. Alright. Oh wait, I forgot the last one. My bad. Go to control, and we're going to do wait 1 second, but we're going to make it 0.5 seconds. Okay, now this is going to make the ball bounce off the paddle. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to add a score. So we're going to go to variables. We're going to click make a variable. We're going to do score. Make sure it's on for all sprites. And now we have a variable for score, and we're going to add that to code. So we're going to select change my variable by 1, and we're going to do the drop down menu score, and we're going to insert this block into on top of the turn 180 degrees. Okay, so over here you can see that there's a score. And yeah, so now we're going to add a code so that whenever we click the green flag, the score resets to 0 and you can play again. We're going to go do once I clicked variables, set my variable to 0. I'm going to do drop down menu and score. All right. Next, we're going to add a line sprite. Okay, so I'm just going to search up line. And now this one, it's a good idea not to use any other sprite because the line is the most reasonable one. So we're going to click the line sprite, and you want to make sure that the line sprite is right at the bottom. Make it perfectly on the bottom. Okay, so now we're going to add a code to the light sprite. So whenever the ball touches the line, the game is over. So events, when flag clicked, forever, if then, we're going to go to the blue, touching mouse pointer, and we're going to change that to beach ball. And then we're going to do control, stop all. That's going to stop the game. And then what we want to do is, now this is optional if you want to do it, but I like to do it because then the player knows that the game is over. So stop all and put that over here. Oops, over here. New message, game over. Oops, sorry about that. I just deleted my message. Okay, game over. Okay, let's test it out. So this is very nice game, and you can see that you're getting score at the top. So far I have, and now I'm gonna let it touch this. And I didn't get the message broadcast. So I'm just gonna delete that block because it didn't work. That's sad. Okay, so guys, we are now done our game, and this was such a easy, simple game. And yeah, so now we're going to share it, and we're going to go to the share section, share. Okay, so now that our project is shared, we're going to name it, and I'm going to name it Beach Ball Wars. You could name it anything you want, but I'm just going to name it this. And yeah, so now we're going to add instructions. We're going to do click the green flag to begin. Next, you're going to write move the button around to score points. Make sure make sure you don't touch the red line or else it's game over. You can write the instructions however way you like, but that's why I'm doing it. Oops. Okay, I'm gonna add some credits. I'm gonna write this game was a tutorial. Oh my god. For my YouTube channel. The oh my god. The human beings. Okay guys, so thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, click the notification bell, comment down below what's your username, and I'm gonna go and I'm gonna play your game. And so thank you so much for watching, making another simple scratch game with Drama Bean. Watch out for next week's video where I'm gonna show you how to create your own sprites. Okay, see you in a bit, Beanies.